artists, the writers and actors on my state. It seems that I am the caretaker of this state and I am taken care by others. I never wanted to be here. I like the city life, but here I am. Destiny has brought me here. I even don't like the howling of the dogs. And yesterday, my life was shattered by the sound of the gun. I'm just waiting for my last breath to sail me away across this lake, far from this island, very far away, where I will meet Constantine, where he will be successful and I will be